Hello friends, welcome back to my next tutorial in Solidworks English version. In this video, I'll explain you the modifying commands in Solidworks sketching tools. So let's get started. This is Akash and you're watching my YouTube channel Design to Future. So you can see I have to select front plane, but before you selecting the front plane or starting the sketching commands, make sure your drawing is in MMGS unit mode. So I'm just selecting MMGS unit mode. Select front plane and sketch, and start. And in this video I'll start from modifying commands because I have already covered all sketching tools or draw tools of the sketching commands. So my first modifying command is fillet. So let's see how it will work. I'm selecting a rectangle, then I'll try to use fillet options. If you have already learned any 3D or 2D design software, then you have already aware of the fillet options. Fillet option is basically used to make a round shape of any corner of the two lines. So you have to select both lines, or you can directly click on the corner option. Okay, and provide the radius value. If you want to fillet of 5 or 6, then you can just put it the value and you can see. If you want to make all corners just in one fillet command, you have to select in box selection, or you can also click on all corner points like this and click on OK button, and you can see the all corner has been fillet with 6 radius. Okay, so I'm doing undo and selecting the next option is called sketch chamfer. Click on the sketch chamfer, and there is two type of sketch chamfer. First one is angle distance and second one is distance. I'll using angle distance. It means just click on corner option, then you can see provide the length just 1 mm and angle 45 degree. So you can see here the corner length is 1. It means the corner length is trimmed of 1 mm and angle of 45 degree. Let's change the dimension like 10 mm, and now select different corner. This is selecting this option and click on the different corner, then you can see corner point has been trimmed like this. Select the next chamfer option and click on the distance option. It means you have to provide two different distance, like I'll provide the 15 and click on this line or this line, then you can see this line has been trimmed with 10 length and this line has been trimmed with 15 length. So let's come to the next option, is called trim. Trim is very important command for every sketching tools. So first of all, I'm drawing some sketches. So I'm drawing different type of sketches. Okay, now selecting the trim option, and the first one is power trim. Power trim is work like just click anywhere on the screen and move your cursor like this. Okay, so everything is trimmed like this, like erasing every element. Okay, so just click on undo option and click on the trim option again. The second option is corner. Corner means if you want to generate a corner with eliminating unwanted lines from like this and like this, so just click on these two lines and you can see extended corner has been trimmed like this. Or you can also convert vice versa, like this. I'm selecting trim corner option and click this line and this line. Then you can see the outer lines, these both of them are deleted. Okay, so just click on undo option, and third one option is trim away inside. So it means you have to select two boundary lines like this, and if you want to delete all inside element, just click on these inside elements. You can see inside element has been trimmed like this. And the next option is trim outside. So this is completely work vice versa. Trim away outside, just click on both boundaries and click outside elements like this. Okay, like this. Okay, so you can delete these options. So next option is trim to closet. This is most usable trim option. Just click on any lines, and if the line is crossing another line, then it is trim till crossing point. If it doesn't crossing any other lines, then complete line is deleted. Okay, so the next option is offset. Offset means you can also imagine by the help of this offset name, like clicking on corner rectangle. Okay, so I want to make a replicate or copy of this rectangle with outside or inside with particular distance. So I am selecting the offset entities and provide the offset distance, and click on the line and click outside. Then you can see the offset line has been copied with particular length. Or if I want to make offset with complete all rectangular lines, so you have to change some settings, like just click on the select chain option. Okay, and click on any line and click outside or inside. Then you can see the whole rectangle is offset with 10 mm distance inside or outside. So you can make offset command like this. The next option is mirror entity. Mirror entity is work with the help of mirror line. So you have to draw a center line is called mirror line. So you have to draw vertically or horizontally whenever you want to mirror. Okay, then I'm selecting the mirror option, and there is two boxes. First box is for entities to mirror. It means the selecting object is our mirrored object. So you have to select these all rectangular lines and click on mirror about box and select the center line option. Then you can see the object has been mirrored like this. Okay, so let's move to the next option. The next option is called pattern. Pattern is Pattern is working with the help of linear sketch pattern and circular sketch pattern. So let's see how it works. I'm deleting this option. Just select any object, like I'm selecting the corner rectangle and selecting linear sketch pattern. Okay, so what you have to do in this box, like entities to pattern, just click in this box and select this rectangle. Okay, click on every lines. Okay, so there are two directions, direction 1 for x-axis, direction 2 for y-axis. So in x-axis you have to feed number of entities. It means how many times you have to copy in equal length of this rectangle. So I am selecting 4 with the distance of 20 or 30. So you can see, and in y direction you have to change 1 2 3 4 5 whatever your desired number. So you can also change the y-axis offset or pattern distance. Okay, just click on OK button, then you can see object has been patterned in linear way. Linear way means in x-axis direction and in y-axis direction with particular distance. The next option is circular pattern. Let's see how it works. So in circular pattern you have to draw a circle. Okay, then you have to draw another object. The another object can be anything. Okay, so I'm drawing like this. Okay, so I have to pattern this entity with respect to this big circle. So you have to select circular sketch pattern, and in first option select in the first box and click on the center point of desired circle. Okay, and click on entities to pattern and select these three entities. Select this circle, this arc and this arc. Okay, then you have to select number of entities, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I have selected 10. And you can also feed this pattern angle like 360 degree. It means on whole periphery with respect to this center point. Or if I want to draw for half of the circle, then you can feed 180 degree of 180 degree value like this. Okay, and click on OK button. So you can use circular sketch pattern like this. So friends, in this video I have covered most of the sketching tools which will help for making 2D sketches in Solidworks. Hope all the commands will be Hope all the commands has been cleared, and if you have any doubt related to this video, please write your comment in description. I'll try to explain in more detail in upcoming videos. So till now, stay tuned and stay blessed with our video, and if you like our video, please do subscribe and share with your loving friends. So thank you for watching this video. We'll see you soon. Stay blessed and stay inspired.